Maupay udto o maupay pagpaniudto gikan sa University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines. Kini yung kachikahan sa kadtuhan. I am David and you're watching Launch Chat. Greetings to all of our trailblazers across the USCP system from Alubihid, Balubal, Cagayan de Oro, Claveria, Hasaan, Oroqueta, Panaon, o Villanueva. This year, we strengthened the 7-point agenda dynamic highlighting the innovation, digital transformation, and internationalization of the university system president. And this season, we bring you the stories of innovation. Kung asa atong hisgutan ang mga nagkadaiyang projects, initiatives, and activities sa atong universidad. Sa mas komprehensibong kasikahan, diri lang sa Launch Chat. For this kautuhan ka-trailblazers, Merry Christmas! Joining us all the way from USCP Villanueva is the head of Department of Electromechanical Technology, featuring their innovative teaching methods, no other than Engineer Jenaline S. Ihong. Hello, Engineer! Welcome sa Launch Chat og maupay udto.
Maupay na odto. Sir David and team, good afternoon everyone.
Alright, so I think we are very ready na to our discussion, ma'am. No? So to start for this episode, ma'am, could you introduce to us unsa ang EMT or Electromechanical Technology Program of USCP Villanueva?
So, to start with the Bachelor of Science in Electromechanical Technology or BSEMT in USCP Villanueva, it's under BOR Resolution number 34 series of 2020. It's a program that integrates both electrical, mechanical, and automation technologies po, Sir David. So, we envision to produce graduates that are not just locally but also nationally and globally recognized leaders and professionals in the field of automation technologies and manufacturing technologies. That is to contribute, of course, to our economic growth and sustainable development, Sir David. And you know, we USCP Villanueva situated within the FIBIDIC industrial zone. So our trainings are tailored on the industrial needs of those various industry po, Sir David.
Alright. So, we believe also, ma'am, no, the last year, nahinabi na to si Sir Colbert. And then, we are very pleased to know po na as you've mentioned, situated mo sa kanang innovative area. I mean,
FIBIDIC industrial zone.
Oh yeah, more on industry nga kanang municipality, right? So, karon it's nice to know pod no nga kan naapoy program nato nga nag-focus for this kind of kuan, and then we get to know po the market that we want to share also to our future graduates, no. So ma'am, can you tell us more about sa inyong innovative approaches, because I've heard no nga naming mga teaching strategies sa inyong department nga nag-feature especially for automation, industrial technology, and technical education.
Okay. With the Department of USCP Villanueva, under the directive of our campus director, of course, our department head, we adopt the quality OBM, output-based education. That is more on actual hands-on approaches. That is tailored, training are tailored to our industry. So those training, intensive training, just like process automation, manufacturing flexible system, deep industrial control, programming, interfacing, PLC, we have under our courses. are all integrated with those intensive training with the use of our equipment. We know that we have our modules just like last November, we faculty are trained with that modules to deliver quality education to those graduates. So that I will just be specific on that modules. That is a set of modules for modular production system. We also have a set of module for our process automation, industrial motor control. We have packages of PLC, HMI, and SCADA. So those equipment were and will be used in our classes, in our laboratory trainings, mga sessions po. And of course, now Sir David, we have also a ongoing collaboration with TESDA. So, though our MOA is on the process of signing, but it includes the TESDA will offer laboratories and trainings, not just for faculty, but also for students. So that our student will be well equipped and industry ready in the future. That is our goal, na maka-employed sila before or on graduation. So they have the assurance to be employed, and not just well-skilled innovators, but also responsible leaders.
Correct. So,
Sir David.
alright. So, mo gid pod na ang gina-instill no sa atong university, and we know for the fact na across the USTP system, we are trying also to instill them no how to be responsible in a real world setting, and at the same time kaning about sa kuan man ba nga output based na kanang teaching, no. And I wanna know ma'am more on sa EMT nga side, no, kung kanang medyo technical kayo ang atong terms, no, for our viewers, but kanang unsa gina-expect for a particular kuan kanang aspiring no enrollee to the program, kung unsa ang kanang ilahang makuha no nga trabaho in the future right after their graduation.
Okay, for the current and aspiring.
Yes.
Okay. To everyone, the vision of the BSEMT is to produce quality leaders and innovators. So, from classes, lectures, and laboratories set up, our trainings are tailored comparable to the industry, such as Coca-Cola production line. The MPS is a miniature version of that Coca-Cola. So if you know the process of our MPS, if you are or will be employed to Coca-Cola, so you already have the idea, you already have the leverage to that company. So that will be your leverage, a big advantage among others. So for our industrial motor control and automation, the modules that we have, of course, is the actual version.
Yes.
Even though it's one set, but it's the actual version of the in the existing company. So if you know that, well equipped with that, there's no question that you will not be or you will not excel in the industry that you will be employed to.
Alright. So kumbaga ma'am, they will be deployed or employed sa manufacturing companies. At aside from that is katupong kanang industrial pod nga
production lines, manufacturing companies, and of course generation companies.
Alright ma'am, so you mentioned ganina nga the use of kanang equipments, no, kay the same thing as gina-use ato ang industries. So more so, this is a very good news kay kanang sa unang curriculum, we are already trained pero wala tong katong actual na magamit. And then ay hara na nato siya ma-experience or makita kung ting OJT or even sa kanang mga tour plan systems. And then right now we're very pleased to know nga kanang the USTP Villanueva and USTP as a whole bring it to the kanang klase na gyud in the curriculum as a whole. So a very innovative way of teaching, ma'am, no. So let's go down to other aspect, ma'am. So what initiatives, no, sa program na inyong currently pursuing, no, to build and strengthen future partnerships between academe and potential industry collaborators?
For those in potentials, collaborators and partnership with the leadership of our campus director, Sir Colbert, and of course, the industry partner, Miss Magno. So we have initiating talks and more collaboration to industries, and also we are actively participating to their activities to FEBEDEC AI and the industry around Tagoloan, Villanueva community, and of course, LGU for research and extension, and industries for HETs, and also other campuses and schools.
Correct.
So, as of now, we also have, as I said earlier, TESDA. Actually, the BSMT faculty for this SEM, we already have completed the training, 2 trainings and assessment, national assessment of TESDA, that is PV, photovoltaic system installation, or EIM, the electrical installation with FDAS and CCTV. That is, NC2 from TESDA is a leverage for us to share those knowledge and expertise and learnings to our student. So in their part, we can be a qualified trainer, not just instructor or professor of such courses or in the industrial motor control, but also they can, after the training, they can apply for assessment in TESDA, for instance. So we aim that not just diploma, after graduation, not just diploma, but they can also have INSIS from TESDA. So that's our goal. So as of now, we are aiming for more collaborations. We are also partnering with the UST and LGU, and last time, as we have training with Festo, we're talking with potential collaboration and partnership with them.
Right. So, actually, ma'am, no, I'm a graduate of electronics technology here at USTP CDO, and part po sa mong college is EMT, no, and then it's good to know po no nga kanang at parta in terms of kanang quality assurance sa ato ang mga graduates, and at the same time ilahang skills no gina-uplift nato sila, no, not just uplifting but innovative way of uplifting them ba. And this is a very good way of cementing our students to have a brighter future po pag abot na din sa ilang world of work.
Yes po, Sir David, because you know it is not to compare, but what I observe, more of technology students are keen on actual or hands-on activities.
Yes.
Mom, can we have the actual? Can we do this? Can we have that? They are keen. So besides those modules, we also have small parts, just like motor or electronic set, function generator, oscilloscope, that they can be used for assembling and troubleshooting. So if they are not so confident for the modules, so they can start with small.
Alright, so very fruitful no ang ang program, and we're very happy to share that to our fellow trailblazers na nananaw sa ato karon, of course. Now, finally, ma'am, no, what is your message to our current trailblazers, our future trailblazers, and to the potential industry partners looking to collaborate with USTP Villanueva or with USTP campuses as well?
Okay, for all current trailblazers, continue pursuing your goal, be resilient, inspiring to learn more, and be a responsible and productive, competitive, industry-driven, or industry-ready individual in the future. So for upcoming trailblazers, we are sincerely welcome you all to join us to a program that is that mold student to be a industry-ready individual with which values excellence, of course, quality
Correct.
education, and I will say it again, training intensive, Sir David. So because we are not building for all upcoming trailblazers, you will not only build a machine or system, but you will also build a future for our nation.
Correct.
So for our potential partners, thank you for believing us. We are positive and looking forward for more collaborations and partnership, especially in the field of trainings, research and extension, and innovation. So as one, we can make a greater nation, which build a what you call that, Sir David, excellent and competitive, responsible workforce for our nation.
Alright. So thank you so much, no, Engineer Jenaline, for having us and
Thank you,
sharing us the program of electromechanical technology of USTP Villanueva. Now we're very looking forward no for the endeavors, future partnerships and collaboration sa ato ang USTP Villanueva, specifically sa ato ang EMT nga
Yes po, Sir
program.
David. Thank you so much, everyone. Actually, the pleasure is mine.
Alright. In the university's 7-point agenda dynamic, the Bachelor of Science in Electromechanical Technology of USTP Villanueva falls under letter Y and N, which is to yearn for excellence and innovative teaching and learning and offer more programs to the curricula that drives innovation. And N for necessitate, which is to provide effective and efficient student services and continue investing in faculty development programs. And that's it for today's episode nga puno sa bagong pagtulunan o komprehensibong kachikahan. Once again, thank you so much, Engineer Jenaline. But before ta mag-end, mga onsata. Mga unta! This is your lunch chikahan sa kautuan. I am David. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year, Trailblazers!